Welcome to One English. Let's learn about introducing yourself.
Hello, I will introduce myself. My name is Lillian. My middle name is Eloise. My last name is Smith. My nickname is Lily. I am 14. I am American. I'm from Boston. I am single. I am a student. I am interested in movies. My favorite color is blue. My favorite sports are soccer and swimming. My father is a teacher and my mother is a lawyer.
Questions. What is your name? What's your middle name? What's your last name? What's your nickname? How old are you? Where are you from? What is your marital status? What is your job? What is your interest? What is your favorite color? What are your favorite sports? What are your parents' occupations?
To be.
I am Bob Smith. You are my younger sister, Lily. She is a nice mom.
He is my son, Bob.
It is a phone.
We are
teenagers.
You are my children. They are siblings. Contractions. I am. I'm. I am afraid of dogs. I'm afraid of dogs. You are. You're. You are late again. You're late again. He is. He's. He is an engineer. He's an engineer. She is. She's. She is hungry. She's hungry. It is. It's. It is snowing. It's snowing. We are. We're. We are friends. We're friends. You are. You're. You are my students. You're my students. They are. They're. They are tourists. They're tourists. I'm not. I am not afraid of dogs. I'm not afraid of dogs. You are not. You aren't. You are not late again. You aren't late again. He is not. He isn't. He is not an engineer. He isn't an engineer. She is not. She isn't. She is not hungry. She isn't hungry. It is not. It isn't. It is not snowing. It isn't snowing. We are not. We aren't. We are not friends. We aren't friends. You are not. You aren't. You are not my students. You aren't my students. They are not. They aren't. They are not tourists. They aren't tourists.
Let's practice. My name is Joanna.
What's your name? My middle name is Lydia. What's your middle name? My last name is Smith. What's your last name? My nickname is Jody. What's your nickname? I'm 41. How old are you? I'm American. I'm from Boston. Where are you from? I am married. What is your marital status? I'm a lawyer. What is your job? I'm interested in art. What is your interest? My favorite colors are green and red. What is your favorite color? My favorite sport is jogging. What is your favorite sport? I have 3 children. Do you have children?